Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your JD4U Core HR platform. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in connect.jdplc.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the login portal for employees for the JD4U platform. Go ahead and type in your email address or your username that you used while signing up for your account. And then within the password box, type in your account password. You can then click on the sign in button and you will be logged into your HR account for JD4U Core right away. In case you have forgotten your password, you will find the forgot password click here button, and from there you will be allowed to reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your HR account with JD4U Core. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.